I'm trying to catch a chicken because I need to eat one. Here are the chickens. I'm trying to get them to get in their house. It's about to go down. My very first time actually. I don't know how to do this girl. It's so strong. Shit. The head is moving, the chicken is moving too. What is going on? Oh, this is the first time slaughtering a chicken, slaughtering anything. But nimeweza yo. Mbona ikufi? Guys, nimekata kuku yangu ya kwanza leo. I feel like a serial killer. Going to add boiling water here. Boiled. Okay, the hot water is supposed to soften the feathers, so it will be easy to pluck them out. So I'm supposed to let it sit there. I don't know, really. I'm just saying. Just doing what I used to see my mom do 10 years ago. Actually, over 10 years ago. Let's geuza it. Oh, imebeba makaa pale penye nimeikatia. Oi, and the water is so hot. Credit goes to my other mom. Yeah, God gave me another mom, and she was just right there showing me what to do. It was really, really helpful for my first time. Oh yeah, look at this. They're just coming out. Like, Zinatoka too easily. See you when I'm done, because I really need to hurry up. You see, all clean because it's soaked in hot water. If you didn't know that hack, now you know. Hot water for the feathers. Here's my chicken, all clean. I peeled the legs too. Like you can see, the hot water softens them, so you can like remove like boom. Unatoa kama socks, like you just pull them and out and clean. I don't really eat chicken feet, but I know someone who will absolutely ask where they are, so I'm going to cook them too. So now I'm going to cut it and remove the insides. Zinaitwaje hizo vitu? The insides. Msinicheke tafadhali. Look, the gizzard is purple. Our chicken have been eating mulberries. It's purple inside. I can't even crush it. Nimekata kidogo. Can't even crush it. I don't want to see more content. Many hours later. Oops. My chicken has been boiling ever since you saw me last year. Yeah, so I'm making chicken and chapos. Zingine ziko hapa, msishangae kwani napika chapo 5, no. Yeah, so see you soon again. This is gonna be soon, okay? Guys, so I'm making a smoothie. So there's mango, avocado, banana, tomato, one big tomato, 2 medium-sized onions, and garlic. There's a lot of garlic, and have a pawpaw that size. Yeah, I know it's too much, but it's just what my dad loves, and I'm making it for him before atoke church. Si tumetoka mapema, lakini ana bakingi na wazee. You guys know that. Yada yada yada. Yeah, so nitafunika alafu I grind them. Oh, I forgot to add milk. Damn. Ningesahau kuongeza maziwa. Let me add milk. It's so full. Hadi nilikuwa nauliza mom kwa nini nimeongeza vitu mingi, because the mango was so big, the avocado was so big, 2 bananas and stuff. Yeah. Acha nijaribu kuifunika. I hope itafunikika. Hatujaongeza ginger. My dad loves ginger. Yeye akitengeneza, when my dad is making it for himself, he adds ginger. Nimeitafuta, nimeikosa, ningeongeza. Na an egg, raw egg, 1 or 2. Yeah. Supposed to measure this the other side. I need to koroga kidogo. Oops. I need this to get down. The other blender we have, it has a shaking option. Hapa hakuna ya kushake. Like you can shake them zenye ziko juu ziende chini. This one doesn't know that. Oh, small babies. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. It's so thick. You guys see this? It's super thick. Wow. Huh. Let me taste. The garlic. Let me overdo the garlic. Oh my god. So I'm going to funika it here. Then wait for Dad to get home. We like eating things together actually. We like that familyness, that oneness of family ya kukula pamoja. So let's wait for Daddy. Does anything about this clip look familiar? The noise. No, apart from the noise. I'm back home! Yay! I left the village. I'm back in my house. And I was editing this video that you're just watching. And I realized that the outro is missing as usual. Yeah? And I decided to end the video the right way, you know? It's only fair, yeah? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe down below for more videos every time I make a new upload. Always remember to do what you want and don't do what you don't want, baby. Until next time, bye-bye. And yeah, I made my nails already. I couldn't wait to get here and redo them. It was just 1 week in the village and they were looking all for the way. Yo, village simches. Bye, see you in the next one.